Okay, so let me explain what's happening. We're here in Kearney, Nebraska, and we are visiting my friend Phillip, who I met on my last road trip last year. And yeah, we met last year at Yellowstone Artist Point at sunrise. He's a cool dude, so visiting him on this road trip. Nolan's going to meet him for the first time. He's going to get here any minute now. And then we're going to do some photography tonight. I think the stars are going to be pretty nice. We're staying in like a campground 10 minutes outside of town here. And then tomorrow morning we'll be awake for sunrise. And he also has a YouTube channel and a really good Instagram. So I'll put his stuff in the description of whichever video this is. So it's time to wait for him to get here. And then, yeah, I'll talk to you guys. I'll show you guys Phillip.
Yo, how's it going?
What's up,
What's
dude?
up, dude?
Long time no
Yeah,
see,
dude,
man.
how's it going?
Nolan? Nice to meet you, dude.
Okay, so we just met up with Phillip. He's in the gas station right now getting some cash for the trip that we're doing. And we just drove around and he showed us around his town. It was pretty cool. But now we are going to our campground for the night. It's like 10 minutes outside of town. It's pretty close. So hopefully gonna get a nice sunset. There's not really any clouds in the sky, but I'm sure it'll still be nice anyway. So time to hit the road for a little bit of driving to the campground. Phillip is just the nicest guy. He's paying for our park tonight, our campsite tonight. So I mean, it's only like $6, but still, nice guy.
Nice offer. Nice gesture.
Yeah, true. Okay, so we got to our campsite. Took a little bit to find it, but we were gonna set up camp real fast, and then we got some clouds rolling in, so the sunset might be kind of crappy, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I think we're gonna set up camp, head to the river that Phillip suggested, and try to get some photos. Okay guys, so we're on our walk out here to the river. It's just like a short little drive from the campsite, and then a short little walk to this nice old bridge right here. Kind of cool. There's a deer on the side of the bank of the river, and the sunset is actually looking pretty nice. There's some nice color in the clouds right now as we come out to an opening. See some nice orange over there, but not sure what it's gonna do. Try to find some compositions right now. And Phillip did mention the fact that there might be some great horned owls out here, which would be absolutely unreal because I have not seen an owl in a really long time. So that would be kind of cool. Yeah, so we're going to take some photos now.
You can go wherever you want. Look at this.
Water, boys. Yeah, this is risky.
This is not like Glacier whatsoever. We are warm right now. My toes are not trying to fall off. Oh god, that's a deep part. Oh gosh. The sun's pretty nice over there, and we're walking out to a sandbar, trying to get some texture, as Phillip would say. And yeah, I mean the light looks good on this bridge. I might even try to turn around and get something with that bridge. I'm not sure.
6 hours later.
Good morning, everybody. We're back down here at the river, and it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We're a little tired, but ready to take some photos of the sunrise that we cannot tell if it's happening or not. There's some clouds, but there's also a tiny bit of color, and we still got about 25 minutes until sunrise, so we're not sure if it's gonna pop or not, but we're down here anyway because, you know, it's our only time seeing Phillip, so we gotta wake up for the guy and take some photos. But basically the river has shrunk more than last night, so the compositions that we had picked out with some sandbars leading into the sunrise is a little change, so I think we're gonna have to look a little bit harder today and find something new because the river's changed a lot in the small amount of time. And also, we're really tired. We stayed up pretty late talking about photos and, I don't know, just a bunch of random stuff. So we didn't go to bed until like 1:40, and then we woke up like at 5:40. So not the best night's sleep for me and Nolan that we're doing a 9-hour drive later, but that's what's going to happen. Also, I think this is going to be the last sunrise of the trip because I am not waking up tomorrow morning on our last day. We're going to be in the middle of nowhere, Ohio, so there's not going to be anything to take photos of. Yeah, so last vlog of the road trip with Phillip right here, right now.
Dang Skippy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, so time to look around.
Mile wide, 2 foot deep.
2 foot deep this time.
These textures down here though.
Yeah, you're messing it up with the footprints. Okay, so sunrise has officially happened, and it kind of got washed out by some clouds. And I didn't really take a photo with my camera, but I did set the drone up and got some sweet drone footage of this bridge and water area. And I also got really, really high. One of my favorite angles for photography now is actually like with the drone straight down. I think it always looks really cool. Like you always see in Iceland, like one of these big floodplains with all the weaving lines of gray and like whitish sand. So we kind of got a similar vibe here with the darker and lighter sand in this like really, really wide river here. So I got straight up, like it was 1,000 feet in the air, looking straight down with the bridge cutting the image right in half, and then the water and the weaving lines looked pretty cool. So now we're probably going to pack up, and then I think we're going to get some breakfast or something, because we got to get a good send-off before leaving Phillip here in Nebraska.
Don't leave me, Mitchell. Especially now that you showed me how cool drones are. Drone footage coming soon on my channel. Maybe not super soon, but soon, for sure. As soon as possible.
Yeah, that Mavic Air, you just can't compare to it. It's just awesome. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. See you there. We just had breakfast and oh gosh, and now we're saying goodbye to Phillip, and me and Nolan got to hit the road because we got about 10 hours to drive today, and with like 3 hours of sleep. How long did we sleep? 4 hours?
Maybe 4.
Yeah. Okay. So
I woke up a couple times.
it's time to say goodbye to this good guy.
Bye gues. Come
Nice
hit me
having him on
up
the vlog.
at Philly Fresh.
Oh yeah.
Philly_fresh.
That's all gonna be a
Shameless
description.
plug.
Oh yeah. I'll even put a poll. I'll put a poll. How many people follow Philly Fresh up in the corner?
Done.
Dude, vlog on vlog.
Vlog on vlog.
Hell yeah.
Vlog on vlog
Okay,
on
3,
vlog
2,
on
1.
vlog.
See you later,
Vlog,
guys.
vlog kissing.